Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. I'm in Benalmádena in Andalusia, Spain. We'll take a walk along the sea starting at Torre Vigía street. By the way, this is a popular wedding venue. That building is a Hotel Sunset Beach Club. The sun has just risen, and municipal workers are cleaning the streets, and the hotel staff are preparing the pool area for the daily bustle. So it's about 8 in the morning, and this is relatively early in Spain. Only a few people are walking their dogs, and occasionally a jogger passes by. To be honest, not many people walk around here even during the day, because you have to climb a lot of stairs to reach street level. I guess not everyone is willing to do that. The pavement will end in a couple of meters, so I'm going to step on the gravel road. So you can't bath in this area, but there is a beach a little further down. We're heading that way. That's Hotel Best Benalmádena, another hotel. And this is Salito's Bar, a popular wedding reception venue. And right in front of Salito's Bar, you'll find a great photo op spot. A lot of guests take pictures here. The little beach is coming up. You'll find information boards like this at, I think, at every beach here. They describe the beach's flora and fauna and list the available services such as lifeguard, first aid, beach showers, restrooms, etc. This is La Cala restaurant, and beach restaurants like this offer a wide range of fish and seafood dishes. Restaurants farther from the sea tend to have more meat options. Here we are at Torre Vigía beach. Torre Vigía translates to watchtower. The Torre Quebrada watchtower is nearby. I think that's where the beach gets its name. I'm not sure when the tower was built, but I think it was rebuilt at least twice in the 16th century. We're passing next to a cool mural. What is happening? I think they're shooting something on the beach. Well, we'll see in a minute what they are doing. Wow, look at all the religious shrines and relics on the cliff wall. And the flowers. Well, they finished. There are many small cozy beach clubs like this in the Benalmádena. Of course, there is a coastline that stretches for several kilometers as well. The third hotel, Hotel Estival Torre Quebrada. I mentioned Torre Quebrada earlier, and it's the name of the district I am currently in. It means broken tower, referring to the watchtower that has been rebuilt several times throughout history. The sea is so peaceful today. It's ideal for paddleboarding or kayaking. From here you can see Fuengirola. It's the next town along the coast. Oof, the sun is very bright. this is where I will end my video. I have some climbing to do. All these steps. Oh god. Anyway, see ya.